For all verified facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Would you sign up to get yourself infected with the COVID-19 virus just so the world gets the vaccine a little bit faster? This is an actual module of vaccine development known as human challenge trials. We spoke to the team of One Day Sooner, a non-profit that recruits potential volunteers for these trials. Here are 5 things you should know about human challenge trials.
So in human challenge trial, traditionally what is done is basically once the vaccine is given, after 4 to 6 weeks, you are actually injected or you are actually given the COVID virus, the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Okay, it's usually given by intranasal route. And then it is seen that if the vaccine was successful, then you will not get the infection simply. And if the vaccine was not successful, you will get the infection. And it is called a controlled human infection model. There are almost 19 diseases for which human challenge trials has taken place. And most recently, human challenge trials has taken place for at least 4 important diseases. One is influenza, where there has been human challenge trials against different strains of influenza.
I think one thing they're going to look for in the psychological screening for a challenge trial is to make sure that people aren't doing this because they, have histories of depression and don't care about their own life, rather that people are fully understanding of the risk and are doing this because of a desire to help the world. I think that sort of mental health screening is very important. The volunteers in the challenge trial will be paid, but they will be paid mostly for their time and for the inconvenience. And they will be compensated for travel expenses and food and room and board and things like that. They won't be paid because they're taking on a risk. They will be paid because they are leaving their lives and spending many weeks in a quarantine facility. I think that many of the young people I speak with, their greatest worry is the long-term risk, the long-term effects from COVID-19. And I think that there is an important obligation on behalf of the researchers who are conducting this study to make sure that the best available treatments are used in a challenge study and that the follow-up care after a study is as high quality as it can be. Because no one should have to foot the bill in 15 years if they get sick because they decided when they were younger to take part in a trial that helped bring the world a vaccine. I think everyone can agree that that would be unjust. So I think that the issues of long-term health follow-up, long-term compensation are critically important.